It's close. They don't care about that.
But
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are here at work where we're staying in our penthouse for tonight because of the snowstorm. So this is Viera. Hello, say hello. So in the middle of the night, we are walking on the street, having fun with the snow.
what is the street?
We're trying to hitchhiking, so nobody gave us a ride because we're not that so hot chick, you know. So say hi, Becha. So we're here at work having fun. We get paid anyway, so doesn't matter. Where we going? Go around. Oh my god. Look at the snow, guys. The snow all over. Later. Yeah. Right. So, yeah. Today is Tuesday. Oh! Today is Monday. And we're here at work. We just ate and we're walking around the facility, which is... Oh, we're crazy! I don't think we are not crazy. We're not that crazy, but we are crazy. My nose is leaking. What can you say about this snowstorm, darling? Say something?
No.
We're trying to...
You.
So I left my husband home and he likes that because he wants to be alone. He don't want any confrontation or telling him what to do. So I stay here at work so he don't need to get up in the morning, which is he has to drive me anyway. So now we're here at the Peter Becker community, which is the best place to work. And this lady is single, looking for somebody with a little bit of something, okay? Find one. Number 00111-555. Extension Auto 10. Oh, by the way, guys, this lady here, she's great. She's a great cook. She's a great girlfriend, and she's 5'8". She can be stewardess or something. Flight attendant or something. See my nose leaking? Don't pay attention. Okay? So, any man out there that watches this video, her name is Beata. Beata. Sexy lady. Okay? Call this page and I'll give you information. Adios. Ciao, ciao. Ciao. Musta. Bye-bye.